Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the exact base model and tools you need. Download Blender 3X, the game's SDK or mod tools, and the base FBX/OBJ avatar. This prevents mismatched rigs. Once done, open the avatar in Blender and confirm scale and orientation so the mesh will sit correctly. Make sure to enable import-export add-ons and save a version backup. You'll iterate, not overwrite. This first setup avoids later retargeting headaches and gets you into modeling right away. You now build the garment onto the rig using Blender's shrink wrap and snapping tools to conform geometry to the avatar. Start with a low-res block mesh, then retopologize for deformation-friendly loops around joints. Target 2,000 to 10,000 triangles depending on platform. Once topology is ready, transfer or paint vertex weights so the cloth follows bones. This is why clean edge loops matter. After that, run simple pose tests and adjust weights until sleeves and crotch fold without penetrating the body. You finish by exporting the mesh in the engine's preferred format, typically FBX with the armature, and import it into Unity, Unreal, or the mod directory. Assign materials and simple collision proxies so physics and rendering behave correctly. Adjust normals and tangents if shading looks off. If you see clipping or deformations, use weight smoothing, corrective blend shapes, or slightly inflate the surface. Also check unit scale and bone naming mismatches. These fixes resolve most issues and get your mesh clothes ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.